Hello and welcome to my channel. I thought today I would show you how I made this part and this fixture on my mini lathe. Let's get into that. Making this part isn't as easy as you would think because there's work on both ends. A threaded hole and a taper makes it pretty hard to hold. The only way I knew how to do it is if I built a fixture. I thought if I would make a blank for that, bolt it onto the fixture by taking the bolt, putting it through a counterbore hole, and screwing it on here. I could make as many pieces as I want. Take it out, put it in, take it out, put it in, and it would repeat. And I believe I want to make 4 of these. I'm not too sure if I'm going to make all of them on camera, but I'm going to show you how I did the fixture and at least one of these parts. Let's get over to the lathe and do this. I have some white Delrin, that's going to be the fixture, and I have some black Delrin, that's going to be the actual parts that I'll be using the fixture with. But we're concentrating right now on making the fixture. I went ahead and cut some material. Let's see, it's the white Delrin I was talking about. It's about 1 1/8 inch diameter, and after I faced it off on both sides, it's about just over 1 3/4. This is what I'm going to do first. While I'm holding on this side, which is longer, I'm going to turn this. I'm going to drill, and I'm going to counterbore. Push this into there. Give it a nice snug tightening. This is plastic and it could come out. You take too big of a cut and it can go flying. I'm going to bring this in approximately 1 inch. Nothing is that important. I'm going to bring that down to between 5/8 and 3/4 of an inch. Let's do that. It should go all the way against these jaws. Okay, let's continue on. And I think this is finished. I've already cut my parts to size drilled and tapped them. Let me show you what I did real quick. We're going to be working with the compound rest to create some angles. There's nothing real precision about this, but we are going to see how I adjust my angle using a protractor and using my dead stop. Okay, this is the drawing. See, on the base, it's a half inch. I have that written down on here. It's a half inch on one end, quarter inch at the smallest end, and it's about an inch long. It's going to have a 1/8 radius that I'm probably going to file that radius on there. And there's a little over a 7-degree taper. So let's get into setting up the machine. One of the things you have to do with these small machines is just about take this compound rest off to be able to adjust the angle. Something I don't like, but that's the way it is. Loosen these up and make my adjustment. And again, I want to say there is nothing precision about this angle. I made this fixture. It has a shoulder here, so I can repeat each time I take it out, so I don't have to keep adjusting my stop. Okay, let's put this compound back on and set my dead stop. Okay, I need at least 1 inch of travel with my compound. So I just brought the compound back on the ways about 1 inch. I'm going to bring this up to about the beginning, and I'm going to set my dead stop. First of all, I have it up against my dead stop. I want to keep going up and back until I just cut the tip of the corner off of that. Okay, I just started to cut material, and I'm going to set this to 0. Let's start cutting. Hard to measure that at 500. About 253, but I'm measuring on an angle, so that's pretty close to 250. And it cleaned up all the way. Okay, I'm going to just file a quick radius on here and call that good. Okay, I'm going to change out my part. There we go. Not too bad. Now, to use the same numbers and the same 0 on here. That's what this shoulder is all about. By placing it up against that jaw and bringing this all the way up to my dead stop, I can be pretty sure that that will just touch the shoulder, the edge of that part. And there we have it. Okay. That's how I went about making this fixture that I used to make this part. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. But I'm going to have to say this video's coming to an end. So, until next time, enjoy.